We have Dr. Neelan Mohan, who is a Senior Director at Medanta, the President-elect of Indian Academy of Pediatrics. Dr. Mohan, it's important for us to understand this is flu season. There are parents who are sitting there who may have been even prescribed cough syrups for their children. What should they believe? What should they know?
Well, in the present context, what is regarding the case, I think it's extremely clear. First of all, it's so apologetic, and everybody out, the entire India is crying on the death of these babies, these innocent babies who did not deserve it. But to make things clear, one is the syrup that we are talking about. There are ingredients in that, which are two ingredients, chlorpheniramine, maleate, and phenylephrine. Now, the thing we need to understand is these two products have been used for decades and do not give rise to any renal failure. The toxicity, the deaths that have happened in these patients are clear-cut cases of renal failure. So it is absolutely clear that the death of these patients were due to the contamination with diethylene glycol, short form DEG, which is metabolized in the body to give a product which attacks the tubules. Tubules are, like the cells in the system in the renal. They damage the renal tubules and give rise to failure. I remember clearly I was on media when in October 22, this had happened in Gambia. 66 children had died, and even then WHO had passed this clear message that it was due to contamination with diethylene glycol in the syrup, which was manufactured by Marian Company in India. And subsequently in Uzbekistan in December 2022 and January 2023, there was similar episodes of death due to renal failure, where again one of the Indian pharmacy, Marian Biotech, was blamed, and in the earlier one it was Maiden, M-A-I-D-E-N. So what I want to emphasize is it is not the drug that is responsible, it is the contaminant in the drug of diethylene glycol as tested by one of the agencies in this product of Colrip, which was tested in Tamil Nadu. It showed 44% of it, which is obnoxiously high. Absolutely. And not to be used in syrup. So I want to give this message that the culpable homicide which have been blamed on a doctor is because it is not the prescription, it is not the dose.
Can you explain to us why the government says that the doctor has wrongly prescribed the medicine and that there was negligence in treatment? That's the charge that he faces.
See, I don't think I'm going to say that they did, I don't want to use the word scapegoat right now, but beyond doubt, there has been a problem which that why did the manufacturer do that? Why was the people who are responsible for checking of this, where did they go wrong into this? Now, while that was being investigated, to the best of my knowledge, the newspaper said that the CM wanted to be saying that he wants a complete action to be taken. Yes. So he ensured that while they were trying to support the families with medical treatment and financial support, the doctor who had written the prescription for 4 to 5 children was arrested. Now, please understand that in India, you have a wide, the doctors who are at the rural center and there, if a product is available in the market, it is assumed that that product is, safeguarded and looked by the government, and it is there. If the authorities like PCGI is allowing them to be there, it is there. Of course, I appreciate that the combination has been told not to be used in less than 2 years. The reason for that is a sedation side effect with this medicine.
Okay.
So the side effect is sedation. But if you get into the pharmacology books, it is not that less than 6 months you don't. Above 6 months, it is to be used by the doctor. Okay. Caution in the right dose. So the prescription which has been floated by the doctor who has been in practice for 3 decades does show the doses which have been in a small, dose of 2.5 ml, which is said. So I clearly think that they need, I wouldn't want to say knee-jerk, but it was close to a knee-jerk reaction where everyone responsible.
Okay, that's a very interesting point. It's not like cough syrups will kill. It is the dosage and the contamination of a cough syrup which may just harm your child. So beware and be careful.
There have been contamination.
Yes, this is a contamination. It is not in the manufacturing stage as well when they have DEG in it, which is why it's important for us to remember that. Thank you so much, Dr.